Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
Leaking from behind or underneath washer. Check to see if the washer is leaking where the inlet hoses are connected to the washer and the house water supply. Make sure that both ends of both inlet hoses contain the hose washers. Make sure that all connections are tight. Is the drain hose loose? Make sure that the household drain is not backing up. Check for blocked drains. The sink and drain pipe must be able to carry away no less than 17 gallons of water per minute. The water can back up from the drain pipe or sink if clogged or slow. Check the household plumbing, laundry tub, faucets, drain pipe, hot water heater, and water pipes for leaks.